Have you ever wondered during your online money making trip on this channel? What is one of the finest strategies for getting money directly into a PayPal account? Oh, it's not much really. It's all done through the use of apps. I'm back with another fantastic tutorial just for you. Right now, I'm going to show you 9 really amazing apps. They are also quite simple to use, and some of them have the potential to make you a lot of money online. Simply by completing certain tasks in one of these applications, you can earn $50 or more every single day. Imagine if you do the test and all 9, you will earn so much potential money. So stay a while so you don't lose out on these particular softwares. Hey there, welcome to Moneyball, where we connect you to anything and how you can earn quick money online. Now just before we get started, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. The Plug is the name of the first app. Plotcoin is where you will find this one. You can simply monetize your influencer audience with this app. It's so easy to do that you may earn $200 every day. This is also the program I use to generate quite $50 online. So the way this works is simple. You select an app to promote. You tell your friends about it, and the apps pay you for each install you get. Assume you are marketing one of these apps for 50 cents per install, and you get 10 downloads. You will earn $5, which you can deposit into your PayPal account immediately. So as you can see, make money, earn plug points for your promotion, and then exchange those coins for cash. With PayPal, you can cash out any moment, get quick payments, and keep track of your account history. As a result, you will gain points in this app, which you will be able to exchange for cash. For instance, if you earn roughly 15k points on this app, you will receive about $550 in your PayPal account, which is quite fantastic. Every time you drive and install something, you will be paid. This is something you can refer to with your friends and family. You may as well publish those apps on social media. You can establish campaign on Instagram, Facebook or YouTube and advertise them there, resulting in installs and payments for all of them. That basically sums up the app's concept. Let's jump directly into the second application. This one is too quite cool. Manifest is the name of the second app. It can be found on their website mnfst.com. You may create, get awards and increase your influence here. As you can see, this software is available both of Apple App Store and Google Play. This one will allow you to be compensated for your Instagram posts. So here how it works. You make an Instagram post and you will get paid within 24 hours. On this one, simply posting an article or a feed post can earn you roughly 50 cents each day, which isn't bad at all. This is the logic. You start small, but as your platform's influence grows, you will earn a lot of more money. There are users have earned over $90,000 on Manifest, which is astonishing. This app appears to be really new, so get on it while it's still new, because they will pay you more money than when it's been there for a couple of years. As a result, make sure you get this software right now. To recap, it's called Manifest and all you have to do is post on Instagram to get paid to post about certain topics. Okay, now we are going to our third app. The third app, this one sounds promising as well, and it's accessible on both of App Store and Google Play. This one's named the Money app and it's available at moneyapp.org. You can get your money using PayPal. As you can see right here, on the right side you can accomplish a lot of things with this app. So let's take a look at how it works. You can earn credit, cash out and have fun with your money. Payouts are made directly to your PayPal account and it takes about 48 hours. This software allows you to earn money by watching videos, repairing others and completing surveys.
However, it will not make you wealthy overnight, but you can make some money on the side. That's pretty much everything there is to know about this app. The fourth app is labeled Play and Win and can be found at the playandwinapp.com website. This app is likewise free and it can be found on both Google Play and the Apple App Store. Guys, this is real like a straightforward one. You will get quiz and then have the chance to win $10 every day. You can locate folks that earn $10 per day on this platform by clicking on winners. If you want to be the next person to earn $10 every day, all you have to do is download the app, play the quiz for a few minutes and you will be able to earn $10 per day. This one is also a lot of fun to play. I have tried it a few times and it's really basic and entertaining. So if you want to make money or have the opportunity to make money through some enjoyable methods, I would propose this one to you. The fifth program we will explore, which is also excellent, is called Doge and be accessed at doge.cash. This software has a fantastic feature that you can utilize to generate a lot of money. This is also available in Google Play Store and the App Store. You can see what you are going to do by scrolling down. This is a cashback app, but we are not going to make money with that method today. You can, however, earn by referring others. Simply suggest a friend and you will earn $5 for each one who registers off and links a confirmed credit card. So $5 for friend or anyone who sign up with you is a good deal. So if you can get 10 people to sign up, you already have $50. And if you can get 20 people sign off, you have $100. This is fantastic opportunity for you to make a lot of money. So what do you have to lose? Begin recommending individuals to this app and you will be able to earn that large sum of money. The sixth app is swagbucks.com, which has been around for few years and quite popular. If you choose, they will pay you directly into a PayPal account. As you can see, they have a variety of incentives and you can earn a set amount of money by completing the Swagbucks requirements. But what are you going to perform in this website in order to earn Swagbucks? Well, Swagbucks can be earned by doing things like doing surveys, purchasing, watching movies and playing games. As a result, you can execute jobs that you prefer because they provide you with several possibilities. You will have a lot of options with this app and you will be able to make a few dollars on this site every month. Now we will move on to the seventh piece of software. BuzzBreak is the name of the new application. This software is quite popular and it rewards you for clicking. You can also earn on the platform by referring others. As you can see, you may simply earn real money and cash out. Additionally, this one pays via PayPal, so you can click to the read news, watch some videos and get paid for it with this app. So that's all there is to it for this one. Right now we will move on to our next app, but just remind you to take close attention now that we are getting close to the finale. As a result, app number 8 is very similar to our first one. York is the name of this one and it can be located at yorknetwork.com. It will also provide you with offers or apps to advertise and you will be compensated every install. So exactly like the first software, the Plug app, you will also be compensated per install this time around. As a result, you can advertise program on social media, give them to friends and relatives to install, and you will be paid each install. You can identify apps and services that you target market or enjoy and earn money from anytime you want. This one is also available in Google Play and App Store. As you can see, this one is quite straightforward and identical to the first program. Let's jump right away into the ninth and final app, which is called AppFlame. This one is also extremely amazing. It pays to play video games. So as you can see, if I scroll down, you can gather coins from playing and then test for cool rewards. They also have gift cards available. Amazon gift cards, Google Play gift cards and PayPal money are all available. You are also welcome to invite and refer your friends. However, I would advertise you to play games and gather coins so that you will do what you enjoy and get paid by the people as quick as possible. With that said, demonstrated, I want you to start using all those strategies right away to start earning money directly into a PayPal account. Begin with the first website and work your way through the remaining 8. That way, you will get the most out of all your efforts to put the giant bit of your cash in your wallets. That's the end of today's video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be the first to know the easiest method in making money online. Have a nice day.